Welcome back, everyone. Or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Many users connect their phone contacts to LinkedIn to find connections, but sometimes you may want to remove them for privacy or to keep your list organized. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Account Preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Sync Contacts. Tap on it to open your contact syncing options. Finally, select Remove All to delete all synced contacts from your LinkedIn account. Once you confirm, LinkedIn will remove the contacts that were previously synced from your phone. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.